Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. How are you, children?
I'm
How are you?
Thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
All are fine. Yes, good. Okay, so children, we have started new chapter, chapter 3, numbers. And in the last class, what we have studied? Who can tell me what we have studied in our last class? Yes, Parvana. Parvana. Yes, Parvana. Expanded form. Okay, we have studied place value and face value, but in our last class, what we have done, we have started new topic, that is expanded form. Okay, who can give me what is expanded? Jenisa, all the children mute yourself and turn on your camera. Okay, those who are showing me asking the permission only will get chance. Okay, what is expanded form? Who can give me the answer? Yes, Jenisa. But turn on your camera.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Abigail can say.
Wait for your turn, children. Yes, Jenisa, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is expanded form?
A number is said to be written in its expanded form has some of its place value.
Okay, children, remember like this, okay? No need to do in a like very full sentence. What is the meaning? You have to understand. A number can be expressed as sum of the place values. You have to remember sum of the place values. What is sum? You know, addition, the answer in the addition. So if we can write plus like adding form, okay? If a number can be expressed as sum of the place values, sum of the place values. Okay, Abigail, tell me what is expanded form? Abigail? Yes? I cannot see now. Yes, Meenakshi. Meenakshi T, yes. What is expanded form? A number can be expressed as?
A number can be expressed as sum of the number.
Sum of the place values. Sum of the place values. Okay, Jonathan, can you tell me what is expanded form?
A number can be expressed as sum of the place value.
Place values. Very good. Okay, sum of the place values of the digits. So that is called expanded form. Then what is place value? Who can give me the answer? Place value. Yes. Place value. Yes, Niranjan.
The place value of a digit. Ma'am,
Okay.
Abigail.
Each digit.
Each
Abigail, wait.
Gets the
Gets the value of
the number.
Digit.
No. Yes, Abigail.
Number.
Yes. What is place value? Place value.
Each digit gets its number from the place it occupies.
Each digit gets its value from the place that it occupies. Okay. It value from the place, or we can say position. P4, you can remember like that. Place value. It is depending on the position. P4. Position, place value. Okay.
Position.
And what about face? F for face. Yes, who can give me the answer? Face value. Yes, Meenakshi. Okay, Meenakshi.
A place value
Face value.
Face value of a number itself.
Is the number itself. Face value of a number means it is the number itself. What is the meaning? Means it will not change. It will be the same digit. Okay. Face value of a number is the number itself. And what about place value? It will depend on the position in the place. A number can be written as the sum of the place values. Sum of the place values. Okay, now children, please take out your rough book, all of you. I am asking you to take the rough book and write this number. We are going to write the number here. This number you have to write. 53 8, 4, 2. Okay, now children, we will write here the place values on top. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000. Okay, children, last class we were discussing. We can divide this 5-digit number into how many periods? How many periods this number? A 5-digit number. How many periods it can be divided?
5.
I'm not asking the place values. 2. Yes, Ihan. Ihan is showing me 2. Give me the name, Ihan. Which are the periods?
1000.
Thousands and
1.
ones. Very good. Thousands and ones. See, children, we can see in ones period we have 100, tens and ones. These represents that ones period, and 1,000 and 10,000 that represents thousands period. Thousands period, and each period, that is ones period and thousands period, it is separated using a comma. So we can see 53, that number is in thousands period, and we have 842, that is in ones period. Okay, now Sarah Thomas, can you give me the number name of this number? Number name.
53,000.
Number name. Yes?
53,000.
Yes.
842.
Very good. See, children, here we can see this is a 5-digit number. So it can be written as here 53,053. We can see the number that is in thousands period. 53,000. 53,000. 842. How many hundred we have? He can see here. 800. 842.
We want to write
Yes, yes. You have to write this in your rough book. So what we had to do? We had to write the number name. What is the number name here? 53,842. Now children, we had to write next expanded form. We already discussed what is expanded form. This number can be expressed as sum of the place values. Expanded form. Aydin, can you tell me 5 is in which period? No, which place? 5 in which place? Look here.
10,000.
10,000. Very good. So 5, how we can write 5 into 10,000? We are writing the expanded form. So 5 is in 10,000 period. So 5 into 10,000. Okay. Next, Niranjan, we are adding. We know expanded form means it is the sum of the place values. Now tell me, Niranjan, 3 in which place?
Thousands.
We can see here it is 1,000. 3 into 1,000. Okay. Deva Binoy, can you give me what is 8 is in which place?
100.
100. So we can write 8 into 100. Okay. Plus 4 in which place? Jiva. Jiva. 4 is in which place? 4 is in which place?
Tens
Can you see? Tens. Very good. 4 into
Ma'am, can I
10.
say?
4 into 10 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Because 2 is in one's place. So how to write the expanded form, children? We have to write it as the sum of the place values. So 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 2. Now what we have to do? You have to multiply and write. What is 5 into 10,000?
5,000.
50?
5,000.
50,000. 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000 multiply and what you will get? 50,000. Children, you have to be very careful. Count the number of zeros and write without any mistake. Now, 3 into 1,000.
3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
Plus 8 into 100.
800.
Plus 4 into 10. 40 plus 2. Okay.
Two.
So this is the expanded form. Expanded form. 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000. Then 8 into 100, 4 into 10, 2 into 1. So we have to multiply and write 50,000, 5 into 10,000. 3 into 1,000 is 3,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 2. Now children, I want, we will write place value and face value of a digit. Place value and face value. I will ask one by one. Okay. Now I want the face value and place value of the digit 3. 3, this one. Okay. Now who is going to, let me call. Yes, Joshua. Can you see 3 is in which place? Joshua? 1,000, yes. So what is the place value? Not audible. Can you say louder? Yes, Shiv Shankaran, can you be little more louder? What is place value of 3?
3,000.
3,000. Yes, 3,000. Okay, very good. See why? Because 3 is in thousands place. So 3 into 1,000. What is the answer? 3,000. Okay, Netik. Netik, can you give me the face value of 3? Face value.
Of 3.
Face.
1,000.
That is place value. We have already written place value. That is 3,000.
Ma'am,
Ah,
Jyoti can say.
wait.
Meenakshi,
You know face value of a number.
Um,
3.
Yes.
3.
3. Okay, 3 itself. I cannot hear you. I have to say louder. Okay. So what is face value of a number means? That is the number itself. Okay. So we have written here number name, expanded form, place value and face value. Okay, children, is there any doubt?
no,
No. So can we do that in your math workbook? Page number 19. All of you, please take page number 19 faster. Children, please turn on your camera, all of you. Now, Jyoti Lakshmi.
Ma'am, question number 4.
Wait. All of you, please take and wait for the teacher. I will
Ma'am,
give
which
you
question?
instruction. You can hear properly page number 19. Jyoti Lakshmi, can you read question number 14?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All others has to listen carefully. Okay. I will ask. Who is not listening, they will get. I will ask them now. What's the answer also? Okay, Jyoti.
Expanded.
Expand the number.
Expand the number.
4, 2, 8, 1, 9. We have to write the expanded form. Okay, children. Meenakshi, can you read the number? Which is that, Meenakshi? Yes, read the number. What is that number? Number name? Yes, Abigail, you have written. Okay.
Ma'am, which page?
40,000.
42,000.
Ma'am, which page?
I will write it there, Navaneda. I said page number 19. 42,000. 819. Okay. I hope now, Navaneda, you can see the board page number 19 from the workbook. Question number 14.
Ma'am, Abigail send the answer.
No, wait. We had to do something else here now. Abigail have written, but children, I told you, I will tell here. If you have written, no problem. But here, children, all of you has to draw one place value chart, small one. Okay, where workbook, question number 14, expand. So if you do that place value chart, children, it will be helpful. Okay, so we can write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we are going to draw one small place value chart and place the number inside this chart. You can write very small here with 2 lines is enough. Okay, now what is the number? You have to place that inside. What is the number? 42819. How to read this number? 42,819. Now we will write the expanded form. So it will be clear, it will be very easy to write the expanded form if you are writing the number inside a place value chart. Expanded form. Alan Shaji. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
4 is in which place?
1,000.
1,000.
10,000. 4 in 10,000. So how we will write the place value here? 4 into 10,000. Okay. Then 2 is in Kevin. Kevin, can you tell me 2 is in which place here?
1,000 place.
1,000. So what do you have to do? Multiply with 1,000. 2 in thousands place. Anjida. 8 into which number? Look at here. Place value. 8 into?
Ma'am.
Which place? 8 is in which place?
100.
100. So you have to write 8 into 100. Then we know 1 is in tens
Ma'am.
place. 1 into 10
Ma'am.
plus 9 into 1.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
I didn't write 13th question.
That I have sent already yesterday in the WhatsApp also. Okay.
I wrote.
We have done that in the last class and I have sent the notes. Okay. Please check. Who is that?
Send
Anjita.
that one right.
Who said that?
Anjita.
Anjida. Okay, Anjida. Okay, children, please mute yourself and write. And you can, Anjida, please check. Yesterday we have done and we have done that sent in the class group. Please check. Okay. Now, Devach, can you multiply this and tell me 4 into 10,000? What's the answer?
4,000.
4 into 10,000.
40,000.
40,000. Very good. 40,000 plus 2 into 1,000.
2,000.
2,000 plus next one 8 into 100.
800.
800 plus 1 into 10. 10 plus 9. So this is our answer. What is the expanded form of 42,819? Children, you have to write these 2 steps. So in the last final answer, we will get 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 9. Clear? Children finished?
Finish.
No,
Finished.
no.
No. Okay, I will give 1 more minute. Vaishnav, finished?
Yes.
Yes. So Vaishnav is going to read question number 15. 15. Okay, Abigail, I can see that. Okay.
Find the place value and face value of 1 in the number given below.
Given below. Children, what we have to do? We have to write the find
Place
the
value and
place
face
value and face value. Children, here we will write these numbers in a box form. We will write in a table. Okay, so question number 15, children, all these questions we will make in a table. So you have to use ruler and pencil and draw neatly. So this is, I hope all of you have completed question number 14. Yes?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Write fast.
I'm finished.
Okay, next one. Children, Anyway, if you have not seen, we can see, multiply and write. There is no problem with it. Question number 15. Yes? Okay. Now, children, you have to draw one like table here. We have to, in the first column, we will write number. Second, what is the here question? Find the place value of 1. Place value of 1. And face value of 1. Face value of 1. Then we have to write here. We can write here A, question number A, question number B, question number C, and question number D.
Like this.
This is question number 15. Children, you have to draw a box and write the numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
All the questions we are going to write the answers in the same box. So it will be very easy for you to
Okay.
understand what is the place value, face value. Mridul,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read question number A? Which is the number? Which number is question number A? 15th question A.
Find the place value and face value of 1 in the numbers given below.
Okay, give me the first number. Which is the first number?
14,000,
1, 4,
1, 4, 2,
Ah.
3, 5.
2, 3, 5. Can you give me the number name of this? How to read this number?
235.
Tell me this. 14,000 again.
14,235.
35. Okay. Now we want to write the place value of 1. Children, you can see here which place: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, Mridul, give me the place value of 1. Check 1 is in which place value?
10,000.
10,000. So what is the place value of 1? 1 into 10,000. What's the answer?
10,000.
Yes, very good. 10,000. Okay. Abigail, can you give me face value of 1? Face value of 1.
Ma'am,
1. 1. Very good. Face value means that is the same number. It is the same number itself. Jonath, can you
Yes,
give
ma'am.
me second question? Can you read?
Find the place value of
No need to
Place
read that
value.
again. Give me the number. Second, B.
32,124.
24. Very good. How to read this number? 32,124. And we have to underline the number here, 1. So what is the place value of 1 we are going to write here? Shivashankaran? Give me the place value. Look at here. Which place?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the place value of 1?
100.
100. Very good. Because 1 is in the place of 100. Okay. Netik, give me the face value of 1. Face value of 1.
Face value.
Face value.
Face value 100.
Face value. Look at
Face
here.
value 1.
1. Yes. Face value means it is the same number itself. Face value of a number is the number itself.
ma'am, finish.
Finished. Okay, very good. Those who finished can check. Steny,
Higher.
read question number C. 94152. How to read the number?
94,152.
Very good. 94,152. Okay, now give me the place value of 1.
100.
100. Very good. Mute your device, some disturbance. Please check. Sahil, can you give me the face value of 1? Face value of 1.
Ma'am, completed.
Face value.
Ma'am, my also completed.
Okay. Those who completed, please listen. Okay.
Face value, let's see.
Yes, Vaishnav, give me the face value. Face value of 1.
1.
1. Yes, 1 itself. Yes, Sahil. All the numbers here. Face value means the same number itself. Okay. Niranjan, which is the last one? Last number. 75,000. How many hundred? 900.
12.
12. So what is the place value of 1 here? Place value.
10.
10. Very good. Place value here is 10. And what about the face value?
1.
1. You know, all these here, the face value is 1. Face value of 1 is 1. Okay, children, please check whether you got correct answer or not.
Yes.
Correct.
Correct? We have done question
Yes,
number
ma'am.
A,
Correct
B,
answer.
C, and D. You had to write the place value of 1 and face value of 1. Tell me how many got all these 4 questions correct. Can you raise your hand? Yes? Some videos are off and I don't know whether you got correct answer. Okay, children, please clap yourself. You got correct answer. You can clap for yourself. Yes? You got for all the answers correct. Okay. So, children, quickly we can do question number 16. Can we?
Yes.
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 We will do. Okay, question number 16.
Ma'am, I
Who's going
can't
to
see
read now?
board.
Now, who is Jonathan? Yes, question number 16. Faster. All of you listen carefully.
Write the expanded forms and number names of the numbers given below.
Okay, question number 16. Children, you have to write the expanded form and number name. Question number A, we will do here now. Like the same, children, you have to complete as B as homework. Okay. Now, we will write the number here. Okay, what is the number? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Jyoti Lakshmi, can you read the number?
Ma'am,
Can you read this number? Number name. How many thousand?
5,000.
56?
56,789.
89. Okay, children, very good. So 5 is in 10,000s place. So 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000 plus 6 is in which place? 1,000. 6 into 1,000 plus 7 into
We want to write
100.
this.
Ah?
We want to write this.
Yes, you have to write like this. Because this is expanded form. We have to write expanded form, also the number name. So first we will write the expanded form. Plus 8 into 10 plus 9. Now multiply and write 5 into 10,000. What is that? 50,000. 50,000 plus 6 into 1,000 can be written as 6,000. Multiply and write. 7 into 100, how we can write?
700.
Very good, 700.
700.
Plus 8 into 10, 80. Plus 9. Now children, you have to write the number name. Number name, who said here? Already somebody told here. What is the number name? Jyoti said the answer.
56,789.
Yes. Okay. Right. 56,000. 56. You can put here comma after 3 digits. So it will be easy for you to write the number name. 56,000. 789. 789 and 89. Write neatly without any spelling mistake. Okay. 56,789. Now question number B also, children, you can do this as homework. What do you have to do? This number, what you have to do? You have to write the number in the expanded form and you have to write the number name. Clear? Any doubt?
Yeah.
No. So can you do that as homework? You can start now, children. You can start now. While I will take the attendance, you can start the homework. And if it is not complete, you can do it as a homework.
Ma'am, I do it already.
Already. Okay, very good.
I didn't know.
So question number B, also same. What you have to do? You have to write the expanded form and you have to write the number name. Yes, children, I hope you have completed. Now let me take the attendance. Are you ready?
Ma'am, I don't complete.
Yes?
Not finished.
Not finished?
Finished.
Do it fast. Okay, so listen to the attendance. You can give me. You can give me your attendance now. I will call Abigail.
I have network issue, that's why.
All others be quiet and listen. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, I will share it now. Now it's the time. Okay, children. So you can do. It's now the time to wind up the session. Okay, children. Okay, bye. Now I'll take.